Hi, I'm Buddy. Being a dog is the best. Going on walks, chasing balls, I even get my own spot on the bed. But recently, my joints haven't been working the way I'd like. I have pain a lot of the time, and it even seems like my muscles are shrinking.
It sounds like you may have osteoarthritis, Buddy, an inflammation of joints that causes pain and discomfort when the cartilage becomes damaged and bones start rubbing together. And you aren't alone. Up to 25% of dogs suffer from it, making it the most common chronic disease dogs face.
That sounds scary. What can I do?
There's a procedure called total joint replacement, and it can give you back your mobility and eliminate joint pain.
How does it work?
Total joint replacement is a procedure where the arthritic joint is removed and replaced with a prosthetic joint. These special implants have been designed using technology from human implants and are specifically made to withstand the stresses of active animals. There have been more than 85,000 total joint replacement surgeries to date, including hip replacements, knee replacements, and even ankle and elbow replacements. The prosthetics are designed to last your lifetime, and they're the only way to restore full mobility. Plus, the procedure isn't just for dogs. It works for cats, too.
Let's not go there.
Long-term medical management may have unwanted side effects, while other surgical options are unable to deliver the pain-free, full mobility provided by total joint replacement.